The Cloud Plus certification is often evaluated alongside other cloud-related credentials when candidates map out their certification goals. Comparing certifications allows individuals to better understand which exam aligns with their current role, future aspirations, or organization's expectations. This comparison is particularly important for professionals who need to justify their choice to team leads or hiring managers unfamiliar with vendor-neutral certifications. Knowing the structure, intent, and scope of Cloud Plus in relation to other credentials provides critical context for selecting the right learning path. Many certification programs cover cloud technologies, but their focus, audience, and coverage vary widely. Cloud Plus was designed to validate knowledge of cloud architecture, deployment, security, operations, and troubleshooting without reliance on a specific vendor. By contrast, platform certifications often assume the learner will be working exclusively within a specific cloud provider's environment. Understanding how Cloud Plus maintains this vendor neutrality highlights its utility in environments that are hybrid, multi-cloud, or undergoing transitions between providers. The AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam is frequently considered by beginners in cloud computing. It focuses exclusively on the Amazon Web Services platform and introduces candidates to AWS billing, console navigation, and product naming conventions. Cloud Plus does not teach platform navigation or pricing models, but instead focuses on the infrastructure principles and technical decision-making required across any provider. A Cloud Plus candidate must understand compute allocation, resource scaling, fault domains, and distributed network design, regardless of the cloud service vendor. The Microsoft Azure Fundamentals certification provides another vendor-specific point of reference. It introduces basic concepts related to the Azure cloud ecosystem, including virtual machines, subscriptions, and security features specific to Microsoft's platform. In contrast, Cloud Plus expects familiarity with resource orchestration, availability zones, and lifecycle automation from a generalist perspective. Cloud Plus prepares candidates to understand these elements in environments where Azure may coexist with other platforms or where abstraction layers prevent direct interaction with platform-specific tools. The Google Cloud Digital Leader exam focuses on organizational impact and product-specific positioning. It tests awareness of Google Cloud products and their application in business scenarios. Cloud Plus does not assess product selection within a single vendor ecosystem. Instead, it addresses deployment planning, performance capacity considerations, and fault recovery in any public, private, or hybrid cloud model. While Google's credential emphasizes digital transformation narratives, Cloud Plus tests the operational readiness and system-level understanding needed to implement and support cloud services. Within the CompTIA ecosystem, Cloud Plus shares some conceptual overlap with Network Plus, but expands significantly in scope. Network Plus covers routing, switching, protocols, and security principles at the physical and logical network layer. Cloud Plus assumes this foundational knowledge and builds upon it with topics like software-defined networking, cloud address, space planning, and virtual routing. Network Plus does not require understanding of distributed workloads or the orchestration of storage and compute resources in remote environments. The distinction between Cloud Plus and Server Plus lies in the shift from physical to virtual and static to elastic. Server Plus focuses on chassis components, boot processes, and hardware-level diagnostics. Cloud Plus extends this into abstracted infrastructure where servers are provisioned via templates, containers are managed through orchestration tools, and services scale automatically based on usage. Candidates studying for Cloud Plus are expected to understand virtualization at scale and resource pooling principles that go beyond traditional server administration. Comparisons between Cloud Plus and high-level security certifications such as Certified Cloud Security Professional and Certified Information Systems Security Professional must account for their intended depth and audience. CCSP and CISSP target professionals with several years of experience and focus heavily on security governance, risk analysis, compliance frameworks, and enterprise-level access controls. Cloud Plus touches on cloud security fundamentals but emphasizes operational tasks like hardening systems, managing IAM policies, and configuring secure connectivity within the bounds of a given deployment. The Cloud Plus certification sits between foundational and advanced credentials, serving candidates who have already worked in systems administration, virtualization, or networking but are now transitioning into cloud roles. It is not designed for absolute beginners and does not require advanced architectural design experience. Its position within the certification landscape makes it particularly useful for those responsible for deploying, monitoring, and maintaining systems in environments that use a combination of on-premises and cloud-hosted resources. Many vendor certifications isolate their focus to a specific toolset or product line, such as IAM configuration in AWS, load balancing in Azure, or container deployment in Google Cloud. Cloud Plus examines those same functions but without being tied to proprietary naming conventions or portal interfaces. This approach forces learners to internalize the principles behind cloud functionality rather than memorizing product-specific features, making it more applicable in scenarios where abstraction layers or third-party orchestration tools are involved. The structure of the Cloud Plus exam includes a variety of content types and domains that reflect the complexity of real cloud operations. Unlike platform exams that often test knowledge of service categories or subscription models, Cloud Plus demands that candidates understand deployment timelines, logging methods, automation techniques, and troubleshooting workflows that span multiple service layers. The exam's structure enforces familiarity with both planning and execution responsibilities, ensuring that successful candidates can operate across pre-deployment and post-deployment phases. One notable element of the Cloud Plus exam is its inclusion of performance-based questions that test the candidate's ability to make decisions based on simulated configurations. These questions require more than recognition or recall. They require interpretation of cloud environments and action-oriented responses. In contrast, most entry-level vendor certifications rely exclusively on multiple-choice items. By incorporating practical simulations, Cloud Plus pushes candidates to engage with the same challenges they would encounter during real system implementation or diagnosis. The Cloud Plus certification is frequently positioned as a launch point for more specialized certifications. Candidates who begin with Cloud Plus can transition into vendor tracks with a solid foundation in cross-platform architecture, hybrid operations, and shared responsibility models. Because Cloud Plus is structured around core principles that apply across tools, it reduces the learning curve when moving into provider-specific environments. It also helps professionals identify which area security, networking, storage, or automation they may wish to pursue more deeply through follow-up certifications. The Cloud Plus certification provides value across a wide range of job environments by focusing on foundational skills that can be applied regardless of the specific cloud provider in use. This makes it highly relevant for professionals working in hybrid roles where responsibilities span both on-premises and hosted systems. Because the certification does not rely on proprietary tools or ecosystems, it prepares candidates to function in infrastructure settings that are constantly evolving and rarely tied to a single vendor. These skills are especially important in organizations that are transitioning between cloud platforms or consolidating services from multiple providers. Generalists who operate across teams often benefit from certifications that reflect a wide range of platform knowledge rather than narrow product fluency. Cloud Plus supports this versatility by reinforcing architectural and operational patterns that recur across all major service models. For individuals serving as integrators, project coordinators, or operations leads, Cloud Plus supports the ability to communicate clearly with stakeholders across security, networking, and development. It gives these professionals the vocabulary and functional awareness needed to bridge gaps between disciplines. In enterprise environments, Cloud Plus increasingly appears as a preferred or required credential in job descriptions for infrastructure and support roles. It is approved under Department of Defense Directive 8570, which further increases its presence in public sector employment pipelines. It also aligns with international frameworks used for workforce development in government and compliance-based hiring. While vendor certifications may be common in software engineering roles, infrastructure-focused employers continue to adopt Cloud Plus for its neutral stance and consistent domain coverage. Organizations use Cloud Plus internally to baseline technical cloud knowledge across support teams. In environments where teams manage resources across both Amazon and Microsoft platforms, a shared vendor-neutral foundation becomes critical for communication and consistency. Cloud Plus helps ensure that support staff share a common understanding of service models, identity configuration, and resource scaling. This makes it especially valuable for IT departments looking to implement cross-training programs or restructure operations under a unified hybrid model. The structure of the Cloud Plus certification also enables internal alignment of terminology and procedures. While engineers may later pursue vendor-specific specialization, Cloud Plus ensures that early-stage team members understand the core concepts shared across platforms. By covering topics like orchestration, cost allocation, and zone-based resilience, it allows professionals to contribute meaningfully even before becoming certified in a specific cloud provider's ecosystem. This makes it a useful foundation for internal upskilling initiatives.